Hi everyone, this is Aya and I have a quick Destash for you today, so let's get started. Okay, the first lot is Christmas theme wood mountain stuff. You know, I have been buying a lot of wood stamp. Most of them, they will be, in a boxes, and they are a lot of stuff, so I can pay, like $50 for a box just to take 5 or 10, and the rest I don't want them, or they don't suit, my style. So I decided, to combine themes together and sell them. Okay, so will be the first lot. And some also have duplicates. Okay, so this is the first lot, Christmas. A second lot, it will be a boy theme lot, maybe. So this is the second lot, boy one. Okay, third lot will be Halloween. So we have these two stamps. Then I know Halloween is gone, but for next year. This one's so cute. Okay, and this cat. And this one, I don't celebrate Halloween, so this was part of the lot. Okay, so this is number 3. Okay, number 4, I have this large stamp. We have all the alphabets. I bought 2. I'm not sure, because I forgot why I have all these alphabets. It's a complete set. Then we have this American flag, I believe. It's all the alphabets. And this is like a banner or something. That's why I include the alphabets with it. Here's another corner. Yeah, and also these thin alphabets. They all inside, but I also added this and that heart and another heart. So mainly 2 kind of alphabets, full set, and flag heart background, and these hearts and banners. Okay, this is a stamp for a baby, and this comes with it like rattle or something. Happy birthday. Yeah, this is a birthday set, I think, or celebration. Again, like decoration for stuff and balloon. Okay, so this is a birthday set. Okay, this one is the boy set. Oh, sorry, not the boy. This one is the animal set. Okay, has all type of animals. So cute. Okay, so this is a animal lot. Then fruit stamp set and food, maybe like this one has soup background. related, not flower or food related. But you can, you know, just stop the video. This book belongs to Hi, welcome. Thinking of you, my book. Thinking of you. Congratulations. Thanks. Oopsie. Thanks. Happy Father's Day. You make me smile. Happy Easter. Be mine. Grandpa, best wishes. And this is one is XO. Valentine's Day, this one. Best wishes. Home Sweet Home. Hand stamped by. An angel work is never done for you. Okay, so this is sentiment lot. From the kitchen off, we'll go to the food item. Okay, with that we correct some stuff. This is I love a leaf, and I think this is a stem flower, and this is the last one, also flower corner. Okay, these are like dolls theme, rain and shine. Yeah, friend to a friend. This also happy in the rain. A castle from the heart. And this one. And this big angel. I'm not sure, shall I put this with the Christmas? I don't know, this belonged to Christmas. Anyway, I put it here. Okay, so this is doll. I will call it doll lot. Okay. We have this one. This lot. Okay, so again, we have 40 sprays. Then some nozzles are broken or they don't work, so you need to change the nozzle. You will get distress ink refills. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you have these patina for all metal quartz. I think they are 10 or more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And 2 of distress oxide, black and green. Then you have metals to color them, 2 new washi tapes, and distress glaze. Okay, so this Destash will be the front. You just make me an offer. I want these stuff to get out of here. So name your price plus the shipping. This is, I think this will be, this is a different box, but anyway, plus shipping definitely. So send me your offer, and I think I will. We have also this lot. So it has these brushes, this watercolor brushes, Art by Marlene watercolors. This is neon, and the other one is metallic. I'm sorry, it has these. Maybe I can clean them, or you can, you know, with a brush, so we don't want to waste some colors. We have Spellbinder small die cutting machine with all the accessories. The hinge is broken, so it will not be stable on the table. Then we have varieties of ink. All of them are working fine. Some of them are not juicy, but they are working fine. And there's a set also of Altoona. I'm going to include it because I have 2 of these. Watercolor panel from Simon Says Stamp, and a watercolor paper or book by Prima. Again, name your price. Okay, I might find some stuff. This is a large, let me see. Yeah, this is a large priority box, so shipping for this is $20. Okay. I think maybe I'll try to add more stuff, you know, to fill it. Okay, anything else? Nope, not for now, no. Yes, and if you're interested in individual stamps, I will link for my Destash page. Okay, guys, thanks, bye.